The first thing you want to do is pin your pants, pin the legs together so it could be even, because you don't want your skirt to be uneven. And I'm going to cut from the back because the back has a butt, and I'm measuring from the pockets to get a straight line to cut to make the skirt even. As you can see, I'm cutting on the straight line. So after that, I'm going to cut open the legs. I'm going to remove the seam because it's thick and bulky and I don't want my needle to break. So I'm just removing the seam off the leg. After that, I'm going to press the leg open to make it very neat, and I'm going to take my hip curve ruler to create an illusion of a wrap skirt. And I'm going to do it at both sides of the leg. So this is the other side of the leg and create the curve. And when I'm done, I'm going to cut off the extra fabric that I don't need for both sides. After that, I'm going to take my serger and serge the whole leg piece. Now I'm going to do the same thing for the top part of the skirt. I'm going to serge all around. Now I'm just looking at the skirt and I'm going to top stitch it and add a cute little embroidery design. And now I'm going to take my garment, pin it together, and attach it to the top of the skirt piece. And I have used no measurements, by the way. It's just whatever the skirt finish or end. That's how I'm just doing it. I'm just pinning it together so I'll be able to ready to sew it together. Okay, I'm done finished sewing it, and now I'm just pressing out my seams. This is very important and crucial because this is denim fabric and it's super thick. So you want to press out all your seams to look professional. And I'm done.